why samurai clean their mind every day, and why you should too. The samurai were not just fierce warriors with unmatched skills in combat. They were also masters of the mind. Every single day before picking up their swords or stepping into training, they took time to clean their mind. But what does this really mean? For the samurai, a clean mind was a mind free from unnecessary thoughts, worries, and distractions. They understood that mental chaos leads to hesitation, and hesitation in battle means death. This is why they practiced meditation and mindfulness religiously. Sitting in silence, focusing only on their breath, and observing their thoughts without judgment, these were daily rituals. They treated their mind like their katana, knowing that if they failed to clean it, it would rust and become useless. Imagine a samurai stepping into a duel with thoughts of yesterday's failures or tomorrow's fears clouding his mind. He would not be able to focus on the opponent in front of him. He would lose. The samurai knew that the only way to live and fight effectively was to remain anchored in the present moment. This clarity allowed them to react swiftly and decisively without emotional interference. They didn't meditate to feel spiritual or enlightened. They did it to survive, to remain sharp, and to be in control of their emotions and instincts. But here's the powerful truth: you may not be in sword battles today, but you are in battles of your own. Every day you face conflicts, decisions, stress, and distractions. Your mind is attacked by fears, doubts, insecurities, and endless worries about the future. And like the samurai, if your mind is cluttered, you will hesitate. You will lose confidence. You will feel overwhelmed. This is why cleaning your mind every day is not just beneficial, it is essential. Start your day as the samurai did. Sit in silence for 5 or 10 minutes. Close your eyes and take deep breaths. Observe your thoughts without holding on to them. Let them pass by like clouds in the sky. Let go of yesterday's mistakes and tomorrow's uncertainties. Anchor yourself in the only moment that matters right now. When you do this, you will notice your mind becoming calm and clear. Decisions become easier. Your emotions become stable. You gain the power to respond to life rather than react in panic. The samurai believed that true strength comes from within, and a clean mind was the foundation of that strength. They trained their mind harder than their body because they knew that a disciplined mind leads to a disciplined life. So if you want to conquer your challenges, remain calm under pressure, and achieve mastery in your life, start cleaning your mind every single day. Because when your mind is clear, your path becomes clear. You gain the courage to face your fears, the discipline to achieve your goals, and the wisdom to know what truly matters. Like the samurai, your clean mind will become your greatest weapon, allowing you to live each day with purpose, focus, and unbreakable inner strength.